Are you still searching for the best AI talking video generator and feeling unsure about which tool to choose? Then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to compare the top 5 AI talking avatar generators, where I'll cover the best tools and help you decide which one is the right fit for you. I've carefully selected these tools based on their features, capabilities, pricing, and use cases. Without further ado, let's dive in. First on our list is Akool. The link is in the description below. This powerful AI tool does more than just create talking avatars with features like face swap, video translation, image generation, realistic talking avatar, talking photo, and background change. Akool offers everything you need to produce professional-looking videos. Let us first know about the price. Its price is something like this. Akool offers competitive pricing starting at $30 per month with the flexibility to increase credits on each plan. The Pro plan allows video exports up to 1080p, while another plan lets you export in stunning 4K, even 8K quality. But here's a surprise for you. I've got a coupon code in the description that gives you a 40% discount on any plan. Just remember, this discount is only available when you pay through Stripe. So don't forget to check the link and code in the description. Just sign up for free. Then you will see a dashboard like this. You can see that there are many useful features available here that you can try. But right now, our focus is on the talking avatar. So I'll go to the realistic avatar, then click on Get Started. This is your dashboard. On the left side, you'll find some templates that you can use to create Amazon product review videos, which is a pretty cool feature. All right. By going to the media, you can upload images, audio, and videos up to 300 MB. If you have your own voice recording, you can upload that too. All right, after that, when you go to the avatar, you'll find many super realistic AI avatars. You can see how realistic they look, and this is the reason why I placed this tool in the first position. But guys, the magic doesn't end here. You'll be amazed when I show you how to generate the video. After scrolling for a while, I found this avatar quite appealing. So I just applied this avatar, and then I'll copy a short paragraph and paste. Let's see how the voice quality.
I changed my major from biology to linguistics because I was a bio major out of high school.
So something I really enjoy doing in my free time is yoga, and I feel like
Oh my goodness. The voice is so realistic. Voice and this pretty girl really match each other. By the way, if you want more voices, you can go to the pre-made voices, where you'll find many voices to choose from. But I like this voice, so I selected it and then hit Generate Audio. The voice has been applied. Let's play it.
Are you still searching for the best AI talking video generator and feeling unsure about which tool to choose?
No doubt, the voice is perfect, but you might have noticed that this girl isn't talking to us. Maybe she's upset. Don't worry, after the video is exported, she'll start talking. Let's explore some more features. If you go to the elements, you can add stickers, emojis, icons, and images from here. You can also add text, like if you want to add a heading, you can do that easily. After doing all this, go to Generate Premium Result, and from here, you can export the video in full HD or 4K quality. If you have the studio plan, you can export videos up to 8K. By the way, Akool is the only AI tool that generates talking avatar videos in 8K quality. So, I've exported the video. To see the final result, you need to go to My Library, and here you'll see the status of your video. In just a few seconds, our video is ready. Let's take a look.
Are you still searching for the best AI talking video generator and feeling unsure about which tool to choose? Then this video is perfect for you. Today I'm going to compare the top 5 AI talking avatar generators.
Wow, amazing! There's no need to explain because you must have noticed how perfectly the lip sync is done. Seriously, I love this final video. Very nice. So now you understand why I placed this tool in the first position. Alright, the link is in the description below. Be sure to check it out and don't forget to apply the coupon code to get a 40% discount. The second tool on my list is Fliki AI. Yes, you can also generate AI avatar videos using Fliki AI. The link to this tool is also in the description below. I will just create a new file, then select Video, enter the file name, choose the aspect ratio and script, and hit Select. Okay, now I'll add the script here. By the way, Fliki also offers many features like idea to video, script to video, blog to idea, PPT to video, Twitter to video, and product to video. All these features are quite impressive, which is why I placed Fliki AI in the second position on my list. We've added the script, then I'll select an AI avatar. You can choose any AI avatar from here, and you'll find many avatars available here. These are the same avatars you get with DID, which means you don't need to purchase DID separately. All right, then hit Submit. you'll see that the AI avatar is ready. After that, you can change the voiceover here. Fliki provides a full library of ultra-realistic voices. You'll find every type of voice here. So I'll choose this voice, then check Apply to All Scenes and hit Select. Alright, after this you can customize everything like changing the caption style, font color, changing the avatar, etc. If you want to see a full tutorial on this, you can watch my other video where I explain everything in detail. Alright, so now I'll export this video. Let's see the final output.
Are you still searching for the best ad-talking video generator and feeling unsure about which tool to choose? Then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to compare the top 5 ad-talking avatar generators.
As you can see, the avatar's lip syncing is done quite well, and the overall quality is excellent. The third tool on my list is Deepbrain AI. The reason I've placed it in the third position is that, along with AI avatars, it offers many advanced features, such as realistic AI voice, video translations, thousands of video templates, conversational avatars, 3D avatars, text to video, URL to video, and more. Alright, to generate an AI avatar, you need to get started. Don't worry, you can try it for free. Now you'll see that there are many features here. You have access to a vast library of AI avatars and templates. So if you are an educator, a presenter, or someone who makes tutorial videos on YouTube, this tool is perfect for you. Deepbrain also supports ultra-realistic AI voices. Alright, so I'll go to the avatar and choose any avatar. I like this one, so I'll click on Try This Model. Okay, now you can do any customization you want. First, you'll find many templates available, categorized for different needs. Just select any template, and then you can edit it. Alright, after that, you can go to the model and change the avatar. There are plenty of realistic avatars available, and you can even create your own custom avatar, as there are already some custom avatars available here. I'll choose one, it looks quite good. Additionally, you can add text, and there's an auto caption feature as well. You also get access to some stock media, and you can upload your own images, audio, and video. Moreover, there are some shapes available, and another great feature is AI image and video generation, which is quite helpful. Now I'll go to the model, enter a short script, then choose a voiceover, and hit export. The video will be exported in just a few seconds. Let's see how the video turned out.
Are you still searching for the best AI talking video generator and feeling unsure about which tool to choose? Then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to compare the top 5 AI talking avatar generators.
As you can see, the video generated by Deepbrain is quite amazing. Now, talking about the price, it's structured like this. You can start at $29, where you can generate 15 minutes of video per month. The most popular plan costs $89 per month, and with it, you can create 30 videos a month. This plan also includes features like AI image and video generation, video translation, and auto captions. Of course, you can increase credits as needed. I think this price is worth it. The fourth tool on my list is Elai Io. With this tool, you can also create AI avatar videos. Simply sign up using the link in the description below. After that, you'll see a dashboard like this. Elai also provides some additional features, such as template AI storyboard and presentation. To generate an AI avatar, just click on blank video. Okay, so this is your dashboard, and this is the default avatar selected. If you click on the avatar, you'll see more avatars on the right side. As you scroll, you'll find a wide variety of avatars to choose from. Just select the one you want, and your avatar will be replaced. Then, by going to Image, you can choose a background. You'll find some office-type backgrounds and some gradient backgrounds as well. Select any background, then click on Add, and it will be applied. Then, right-click on it and select Move to Back. Alright, additionally, you'll find many elements that you can try out. If you want to create a presentation, there are plenty of templates available for you to use. For example, if I apply this template, it will be applied immediately. Then you can change the voiceover from here. There are also many voiceover options available. Overall, you'll find everything you need in this tool, and you can customize everything. Alright, so now, I'll render it and see the final output.
Are you still searching for the best AI talking video generator and feeling unsure about which tool to choose? Then this video is perfect for you.
As you can see, Elai has also produced a very good video. Now, if I talk about the pricing, it starts at $29 per month. For $29, you can only create 15 minutes of video and use the text-to-video feature. The next plan is quite expensive, which you can check out. Alright, the last tool on my list is DID. This tool also generates very good AI avatar videos. The reason it's placed at the bottom of the list is that it doesn't offer many useful features. You can only create AI avatars. For example, when I create a video, you'll see that there are quite a few avatars available. Yes, these are the same avatars you find in Fliki AI, right? You'll also find some backgrounds that you can use. Then you can add text and choose the aspect ratio. In the script section, you can add your script and generate the voiceover from there. Alright, after this, I'll export this video as well. Let's see the final output.
Are you still searching for the best AI talking video generator and feeling unsure about which tool to choose? Then this video is perfect for you.
The result is the same as what we saw with Fliki AI. So in my opinion, if you want to choose between Fliki and DID, you can go for Fliki. You can start with DID for $5.90, but the video will have a DID watermark. If you go for the Pro plan, it will cost you $29 per month, where you can only generate 15 minutes of video, and it will also have an AI watermark, which I didn't like at all. That's why I prefer Fliki over DID. Okay, so these were the top 5 best AI avatar generators. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. I've provided the links for all of them in the description. You can check them out. And yes, there are many other AI avatar generators out there. If you want videos on them as well, feel free to comment. If you want to start TikTok and YouTube automation, then definitely watch this video.